I came to Regenerative to consider stem cell therapy after finding out about it from my son. 2 years ago, I'd had knee replacement surgery done on my left knee and had been told at the time that my right knee radiographically was much worse than my left knee was that I had the replacement surgery done. Although I had a positive experience with the knee replacement, I still had some discomfort with it, even 2 years later. And I was looking for an alternative method of treating my right knee. So after looking and studying about stem cell injection therapy, that's what I decided to give it a try. My experience was that the process was virtually painless. It was very quick, very easy. The staff made it extremely comfortable experience to go through. They led me through the whole process. My response to therapy has been very good in that I could tell a discernible difference between 10 to 14 days, and by 3 weeks post-injection, I could already tell quite a bit of a positive response in my right knee. My right knee is now much better than my left knee that I had surgery over 2 years ago on. So my experience with stem cell therapy has been a very, very positive one, and I would highly recommend people consider it at looking for an alternative to long-term therapy on an arthritic joint to try to avoid surgery.